Hey y'all, and today we're gonna play Identity Fraud because I've never played it before and it looks scary. So yeah, let's play. Loki don't know how to play this, but we're just gonna try. Okay, press any key to continue. Well, I don't got any keys, so I'm just gonna skip this. Oh, okay, we're in. I don't know what's gonna happen, but yeah. Okay, this is actually scary. Bro. Okay. This is scary. I don't know why I said it like child, but so like I don't know where it's supposed to be going, but yeah. No, that's left. Because right is always right, so I'm just gonna go. Can global chat stop? Like it's actually scaring me. Okay, this is looking ominous, but let's go. Bro, the music is scaring me. Okay. What's that sound?
Way too much free time. Here's the birthday boy. Ross, check it out.
It's near.
Rangers Penguins tonight at the Garden, and we're taking you. Happy birthday, pal. We love you, man.
Okay, I don't like how it's like glitching like that, but
So I'm guessing you had an extra ticket and couldn't decide which one. Well, aren't we, Mr.
What?
Glass is half empty.
At least I didn't scream like a little girl. I gotta pee. So I'm just gonna pause this and hope nothing chases me. Okay, I'm currently chewing gum. So yeah. Oh, what's that? Okay. Okay. Wait, why'd it wave? I can't rhyme!
Just like those, the night that we first, she never took them off.
Oh my god. Oh my god. What was that? Mom, come pick me up. I'm scared. Slashy, wait, what? Bro, I'm scared if I come across myself. Hello? Oh my god. I have so much gum in my mouth. Okay, so I have to go over there. Okay, I found a real person. I'm low-key scared. Okay. We're so confused.
Are you gonna eat these noodles?
No.
What happened if you wanted to? Why are you gonna
Okay, low-key. Just a little scared. Is that like a dead end? Okay, yeah, it is. I'm just following her because I don't know what I'm doing. Oh my god.
Stop taking and call your doctor about tiredness, nausea, vomiting, fever, rash, yellow fever, skin or eyes, stomach pain. Tell your doctor if taking Gemfibrozil, clopidogrel, or statins. Side effects include diarrhea.
I don't like how that black figure just pops out of nowhere. Oh my god, there's a stupid fly near me. Okay, anyway.
Olive Garden's Calabrian summer is officially
Okay.
here. With crispy chicken in a sweet, spicy sauce, these hot honey chicken bites have some bite. And rich steak and shrimp bucatini burns a little fire. Then you want to smell
I don't know how I haven't seen any NPCs in a hot minute. That could just mean we're in like the right direction. I hope. Cause yeah. There's a thing. Okay, I'm gonna pause it until something interesting happens. Okay. I think we're getting close. Low key. Yes, I have bubble in my gum. Okay, we're good. Oh, I don't like these long hallways, bro. Gives back rooms. I swear I heard a oh my gosh, she's leaving me behind. There's an NPC. Or at least I think it's an NPC. I wouldn't step near it though. Yeah, that's her problem.
Yeah. And if he actually called me, then there is something they found.
Okay. We found a fellow human being. Yeah, I'm coming.
But obviously it's not to a point where you need any type of like surgery, because that would be negative. It might just be to the point where you might need to get a steroid shot every once in a while.
But yeah.
I don't know. Something got me that I can't take this.
I don't.
Well, you know how Kyle gets a steroid shot in his
I don't like that.
shoulders, right?
Yeah.
So might need.
I just heard a door creak. Oh my god. Oh my god.
I'm just trying to adjust you so I can get in here. Taking up a whole spot, man.
By the way, Ariel, osteoporosis sucks. What it is it's also known as women's brittle bone disease, because it is more commonly found in women. Because women need more calcium in their diet than men.
Hopefully it's not.
Bro, I lost one of my friends. I lost her, bro.
And unfortunately, that's something that you can't really. You'd have
Okay, we found her.
You end up having to. I learned quite a lot actually.
Okay. We're kind of
I
getting
think that the best
far. My friend was being chased
place for
by like something.
research
Or the NPC.
is,
It's been a hot minute since we saw like that black red-eyed figure. So yeah,
you just laugh.
we're good, I think.
Whatever you say.
This is getting a little scary. I don't like it.
They come out with the most research.
But yeah,
And there's something that they learned about foods. If a person has cancer,
I'm in the front now.
Yeah. Beta carotene seems to cause cancer to
Okay.
spread up to
Okay.
15% more.
Okay. Okay. Maybe getting close.
Sweet potatoes. No, but both of them have it. It's that orange.
Okay.
No beta carotene.
Don't know where we're going.
I think
But
yeah.
I low-key think we're going
Well, I don't know what
in circles.
they're cheaper than the other ones. We're
Okay.
looking at the
Oh my
other
god, my Pookie's leaving behind me.
and they're more expensive.
Yeah.
This one, they're a little wee bit smaller, but not much,
Yeah.
but more.
Oh, you get more, yeah.
And a little cheaper.
Okay.
Exactly.
We tried those out to see. They're pretty good.
I'm a little scared.
The other
Like I
ones
said that 1,000 times, but it's still scary. I don't like these dark hallways, bro. Like, bro. I'm scared, bro. Where'd she go? No. Oh my god, I did not just lose her. My world is now empty. Oh my god.
So sorry, you guys.
Oh.
I don't have a plan.
It's now me.
Baby, what? Do you have a plan? I don't even have a plan.
Hey, one mushroom, green pepper, and onion?
No, that's not what we ordered. We ordered a fat-free crust with extra cheese.
Wait, you're not G. Stephanopoulos? Oh man, like that's gonna kill me.
Wait, did you say G. Stephanopoulos?
Okay, I don't know why this person was running from me, but
Oh, go ahead. Wait, was this a small Mediterranean guy with curiously intelligent good looks?
Yeah, that sounds about right.
Was he wearing a stunning blue suit and a collar tie?
No, pretty much just a towel.
Oh, God.
So you
Okay.
ready to take us back?
I'm just gonna follow this one until they like trust me, cause I'm not a freaking monster. Must have been right hype. Oh, they left. I wanna yeah, they left. Okay, so just don't take your eyes off it. Okay. Wait. Did that person leave the game? Oh no, they're back. Okay. So, yeah.
We've been here for over an hour. A lot of people less sick than my friend have gone in. I mean, that guy with the toe thing? Who's he?
I'm just gonna run now.
Oh, come on, Dora. Don't be mad. I know we both said some things. Didn't mean, but that doesn't mean we still don't love each other. You know, I feel like I've lost her.
I have a thing you love. The need in me is way too much. If I open wide, one of us may get lost inside. Okay, they're just following me now.
Yes, the moon, the glow, the magical feeling you did this part. Could I get some That's right, not for me. What is the big deal?
Oh my god, you're so scary, bro. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Howdy there, pal. I'm Peppa Pig. This is my little brother George. This is Mummy Pig. And this is Freddy Pig. Peppa Pig! Bro, I'm following these people. I'm scared now.
With Carol?
Don't leave me behind, please.
In your whole life, you only do one?
Please.
Oh boy, hockey was a big.
Yeah.
Whole bunch of stuff to put it up tonight.
Okay, I got one. Do you remember that vegetarian pate that I made that you love so much? Huh? Well, let's use some vegetables. Okay, fine, fine. Now I don't feel so
Oh my god. Okay, that's not a real person, is that? Oh my god. Is he actually like scared? Oh my god, I just saw the black figure again. Right around that corner. I'm gonna pause it until something interesting happens. Okay, a light just went out and I don't know where the people went. Okay, they're there.
Listen, give me back my cup. No. Yes, how about
No.
Come here.
No.
Give me my
No,
cup.
hey, no, my fault, and not ER.
Now that was fun.
I'm looking scared, bro.
Okay, Monica. Right foot down.
Gonna play, but I'll leave it.
Thanks.
Bro, I'm just randomly leading us places and I don't even know if I'm going the right way or not. Bro, my thumbs are sweaty and I wouldn't be able to do this on my own and I'm probably gonna get lost. I've been running in circles for 19 and 38 minutes. I don't even know if we're ever gonna make it out. Like, bro, we're never making it out of here.
I got magic beans. Never mind.
Like, I'm I'm gonna pause this. Guys, I swear, just at that corner where the white dot is, the black figure was there, I swear. I know I'm not crazy. At least I know you can't take your eyes off it, or else it'll like try and kill you. But yeah, I might end this soon because nothing's really happening. But yeah, once we hit like the 21-minute mark, that's when I'm gonna end it if nothing interesting happens. We lost the girl, but it's okay. I'm following this one. I seem to trust this one quicker. Or more. But yeah.
Someone's popular. I've been selling stuff on eBay. Handbags. Market paid me. Sold. Find what you love, sell what you don't, and then get a really good price on these rings. eBay. Things people love. Like a relentless weed. Moderate to severe Crohn's disease or ulcerative colitis symptoms can keep coming back.
Okay, I'm gonna end it now because nothing interesting has happened. Anyways, bye my little cave.